Ngekwetitfombe letibonakale tinkhundleni tetekuchumana, simo sesishube kakhulu eSwatini. Sive sikhala ngentsandvo yelinyenti kulela live. Lokubuhlungu kakhulu ke kutsi batsi emaphoyisa nemasotsha sevele avulele njengenhlavu esiveni lesingakahlomi kungakonakali lutfo. Kansi batsi nesisi lesikhalisa tinyembeti sisetjentiswa budlabha. Lenye yetintfo lese ilwelwa sive saseSwatini kutsi kukhululwe malunga ephalamende laboshwa kuletinyanga letengcile bacede Mabuza naMthandeni Dube.
President Cyril Ramaphosa has, in his capacity as chairperson of the Southern African Development Community Organ on Defence, Politics and Security Cooperation, appointed special envoys to engage with His Majesty King Mswati III of the Kingdom of Eswatini on security and political developments in the kingdom.
I'm going there with an open mind, ensuring that we hear all views so that at the end of the day, the people of Eswatini must be able to come around the table and come up with a lasting solution so that there must be peace.
Tinhlangano tetepolitiki takuleli tifisa kubona sisombululo kulenkinga yaseSwatini kanjalo ke namhla buhlangene.
There's going to be the conversation not only with the government, but there's also going to be a conversation with other stakeholders. Without the other stakeholders, it's very difficult to find peace.
We must condemn the abuse of force against pro-democracy demonstrators. I think that the government there needs to show restraint and to open up dialogue rather than trying to suppress or quell by use of violent means democracy, because they're only going to make the situation worse.
The Secretary General reiterates the importance of enabling the people of Eswatini to exercise their civil and political rights peacefully.
Lucky Lukhele lokhulumela iSwaziland Solidarity Network naphaya Vilagati we Eswatini Communist Party bachaza ngesimo lesichubekako.
7 people were shot dead just yesterday alone, and many more are still not accounted for as for their whereabouts. Those that are injured again were unable to give a correct figure, but the figure by the time we went to sleep last night was above 20.
None of the political parties or the workers' unions and the people affected with the violence of the regime of June and July were ever invited by SADC to come and explain their cases. But now, with with SADC going to Swaziland, the people of Swaziland have no trust at all with the envoys that are going into Swaziland, that they will do a sincere job of engaging the people as a whole.
Indvuna yaphambilini Jeff Hadebe yetsembise kutsi itawuphindze ikhulume natsi la etindzabeni te-SABC uma ibuya eSwatini.